recent McKinsey study, which was tabled in July 2020, says that both on the consumer side as well as on the brand side, we have vaulted 5 years forward in digital transformation in just a matter of 8 weeks. This is what the COVID-19 pandemic has done, which many other forces could not do earlier. So a host of healthcare leaders from pharma, devices, and healthcare network, delivery networks such as where I work, are going to be talking on Saturday, 19th September, 4 p.m. in a webinar that has been exclusively organized by Beyond Imagination on the topic COVID-19 Crisis, Rebooting Branding and Marketing to Digital. So please join us to see that how an industry which was a bit of a digital laggard, how we have completely rewired, re-engineered and rebooted ourselves for completely digital journeys. Join us. 19th September, 4 p.m. I'm Jasrita. I head brand marketing and CSR for Fortis Healthcare, and please look forward to joining me and a whole lot of other people who will be discussing on this topic.